Weight gain in pregnancy and its complications. Normal pregnancy, variable amount of weight gain is a constant phenomenon, and during early weeks, patient may lose weight because of nausea and vomiting. During subsequent, weight gain is progressive until the last 1 or 2 weeks. Total weight gain during the course is around 11 kgs, and fetus measures about 3.3 kgs, placenta about 0.6 kgs, liquor 0.8 kgs, uterus 0.9 kgs, and breast 0.4 kgs, total of 6 kgs. An increase in blood volume of around 1.3 kgs. Increase in ECF is 1.2 kgs, and accumulation of fat and protein is around 3.5 kgs, in total of 6 kgs, and total about 11 to 12 kgs of weight gain is normal in pregnancy. And causes variable amount of retention of electrolytes like sodium, calcium, and potassium. Sodium, potassium, and chloride. Sodium is osmotically active, and it controls the distribution of water. And causes for the accumulation of electrolytes like sodium, potassium, and chloride includes increase in estrogen and progesterone, increase in aldosterone, consequent on activation of renin-angiotensin system, and increase in ADH. And amount of water retained during pregnancy at term is around 6.5 liters, and accumulation of fluid in tissue spaces below the uterus is due to the decreased colloidal osmotic pressure because of hemodilution and increased venous pressure of extremities. Maternal nutrition and weight gain during pregnancy determines the newborn weight, and ideal weight gain during pregnancy depends upon the pre-pregnancy BMI. Recommended daily allowances. Periodically, the Food and Nutrition Board of Institution of Medicine recommends following allowances. Calories. Pregnancy requires an additional 80,000 kilocalories, which are accumulated primarily in the last 20 weeks. A caloric increase of 100 to 300 kilocalories per day is recommended. Additional energy required may be compensated by decrease in physical activity. Protein. To the basic needs of non-pregnant are added the demands for growth and repair of fetus, placenta, uterus, and breast. During second half of pregnancy, about 1 kg of protein are deposited, and concentration of most proteins fall during the pregnancy except glutamate and alanine. The proteins will rise during the pregnancy, and preferably most protein should be supplied from animal sources and milk products. And minerals, except iron, all the diets that supply sufficient calories for appropriate weight gain will contain enough minerals to prevent the deficiency. Iron. 300 milligrams of iron is transferred to fetus and the placenta, and 500 mg to the maternal hemoglobin. Nearly all is used after mid-pregnancy. Daily iron excretion is about 7 mg per day. Elemental iron of 30 mg taken daily throughout the pregnancy prevents anemia. In case of Queetlet index or BMI, weight in kg by height in meter square, and normal is 18.5 to 24.9, and overweight is 25 to 29.9 kg per meter square, and obesity is more than 30, and classification is class 1 30 to 34.9, class 2 35 to 39.9, and class 3 is more than 40. Complications, disorder and causes of weight gain. Type 2 diabetes mellitus is due to insulin resistance, and hypertension due to increase in blood volume and cardiac output, and in congenital heart diseases, hypertension, type 2 diabetes, and dyslipidemia, and cardiomyopathy, left ventricular hypertrophy. Sleep apnea due to the pharyngeal fat deposition, and ischemic stroke due to the atherosclerosis, and gallbladder diseases due to the hyperlipidemia, and liver disease or non-alcoholic steatohepatitis due to the increased visceral adiposity and increased serum free fatty acids, osteoarthritis, stress on weight bearing, and subfertility due to hyperinsulinemia, and carcinoma, endometrium, colon, and breast due to the estrogenemia, carpal tunnel syndrome, and deep venous thrombosis, and poor wound healing. Prevalence. Progressive increase in prevalence, and women who are obese limit weight gain to less than 15 pounds, and maternal morbidity. BMI is more than 35 kg per meter square. Increased maternal morbidity, and fetal macrosomia. Higher rates of cesarean delivery because of dystocia, and higher rates of postpartum complications and second trimester dilatation and evacuation. More difficult if BMI is more than Increased risk of gestational diabetes mellitus, preeclampsia, post-term pregnancy, emergency cesarean, elective cesarean, PPH, pelvic infection, UTI, wound infections, and macrosomia and stillbirth. Preeclampsia risk doubles with each 5.7 kg per meter square in BMI and more in with android obesity. Obese, impaired endothelial function plus increased CRP, increased interleukin 6 leads to preeclampsia. Increased triglyceride, increased VLDL, insulin and leptin. Excessive pre-pregnancy weight can be used to predict the long-term obesity and contraceptive. Increased rates of contraceptive failure and perinatal mortality is also more because of the risks of neural tube defects and other anomalies, and increased risk of omphalocele heart defects and multiple anomalies and pre-gestational diabetes mellitus and increased rates of bulb defects. Infants more than 4 kgs have increased risk of type 2 diabetes mellitus and metabolic syndrome, and obese pregnants are less likely to feed, increased rate of stillbirth, and pre-pregnant BMI more than 30, independent risk factor for stillbirth, and risks associated with following surgical procedures for obesity include jejunal-ileal bypass, risk of shorter gestation, low birth weight, small for gestational age, and long-term morbidity and mortality. Gastric bypass complications are uncommon, and Roux-en-Y bypass, maternal death due to the herniation and obstruction.